Hello there, Pat here, and I just want to check in with you real quick because this has come up a couple times now. What happens if you get the ChatGPT and it isn't working right? Okay, something like right now it's normal. Okay, for me, but that's not always the case. I installed an extension called Extensify, and let me just show you. This makes it very easy to turn. These are all the extensions installed on my browser right now. Most of them, or a lot of them, as you can see, are ChatGPT related. See, different prompt libraries. I like different ones for different reasons. There's AI PRM. Right now I've got this one enabled, Web Chat GPT. And what that does is it gives you internet access. It gives you internet access instantly, and different search engines, advanced settings. Not that I'm trying to sell you on this plugin right now. I find this one useful, but you know what? It doesn't play well with all of these. Now right now I also have Fancy GPT enabled, which is really cool way to export your chats. Say if I wanted to export this chat here, or whatever chat I had. There's legends, myths, and legends. If I wanted to export this, it would be real easy. What I'm driving at is be careful how many extensions you run at the same time, because what's going to happen is you'll have a conflict and it'll mess everything up. So my recommendation is install Extensify. I know it sounds weird to say the answer to your extension conflict problem is installing another extension. I know that sounds counterintuitive, but trust me, it works. I try to never have more than 2 ChatGPT related plugins running at the same time. So far, Fancy seems like it works pretty well, or plays pretty well with most of the other ones. But this Web Chat GPT doesn't. If I'm going to turn on one of these prompt ones, I'm going to have to turn it off first. Look, see how easy it was? And then I can turn on one of my other ones. Okay, snack prompts. There, turn it on, refresh the page, and bingo, snack prompts comes up. Which just a side note, full disclosure, I publish prompts on both snack prompts and ARPRM, and I'm not going to recommend one over the other, but in honesty I will say this, because it's true, AIPRM seems to conflict more with other plugins than snacked prompt. I'm not telling you what to use or what not to use. If you use Extensify, there's no limit to how many you can have. If you don't mind having them that many in your browser, and just disable and re-enable as necessary. I try to run, like if I'm not shopping, I'm not going to run my shopping extensions. If I'm not writing an email, I don't need this email assistant. I only need that if I'm composing an email and want the assistance of AI, which is not that often. Perplexity is nice, but I don't necessarily have that on all the time either. Anyway, I know I have a friend out there from that I met on Buy Me a Coffee that is having trouble right now. So I'm doing this video for him, but not just for him, because I'm certain this is pretty common. So I thought it was a good idea to make this video real quick for anybody that it might help, and I certainly do hope it was helpful. Thank you very much. Bye bye.